Yeah, what's going on here? Another video episode of the winter storm again of Wisconsin. Trying to go slow here. It's gonna slip. There we go. Yeah. We got more snow again. Fresh white powder. Be here. I don't know if it might be snowblower worthy, but it's real light and stuff. I could probably shovel this up real easily. It's powdery, very light. But yeah. The end of the driveway there. We'll take a look at that real quick here. Into the driveway from where the plow came by might be a little higher packed up. Take a little while to shovel it, but we can manage it. We can manage it. I can shovel the driveway by hand. It's pretty well. Yeah, it's not that bad. We can do it. Drifted over there a little bit in front of the garage. All the salt right there. It's all drifted here from overnight. Here. Yeah. Neighbor's coming out over there right now. He just got his all snow blowed. Yeah? I'll send a link down in the description for his YouTube channel. See ya. Yeah, I'll send the link down in the description for his YouTube channel. Might want to check it out if you want. But yeah, I gotta get busy here and start clearing out this driveway and that driveway. That one. Wiper plates fell off. And then get that driveway done, and then one in the back, way in the back somewhere. I gotta do that driveway. But yeah, I gotta get busy here and start cleaning up here. Talk to you guys later. Might give you a part 2 later on. Don't forget to hit that like button if you want to like the video, and hit that subscribe button. Talk to you all later.